Hello, in this video we'll show you how to solve adding fractions problem. Let's start. The problem is, what is 1/2 1/4? To add two fractions, they must have the same denominator. In this case, the denominators are 2 and 4. We need to find the least common denominator, LCD, of 2 and 4. The multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. The multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16. The smallest common multiple is 4, so the LCD is 4. Now we convert both fractions, so they have 4 as the denominator. The second fraction, 1/4, already has 4 as the denominator, so we don't need to change it. The first fraction, 1/2, needs to be changed. We ask, what number can we multiply 2 by to get 4? 2 times 2 is equal to 4, so we also multiply the numerator by 2, so 1/2 equals 1 times 2, / 2 by 2, equals 2/4. Now both fractions have the same denominator, 2/4 1/4. When adding fractions with the same denominator, we keep the denominator the same and add the numerators. 2/4 1/4 equals 2 1 / 4 equals 3/4. Final answer, 3/4.
Please subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.